Welcome to this tutorial, and today you'll learn this simple trick that animates your PowerPoint slides without any effort. I will show you how to create compelling presentations that look and run like this, just using the MORPH transition. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more. My name is Kesawa, and let's get started. We will create a PowerPoint presentation that explores planets in our solar system. First, to create a presentation, click the Start button and type PowerPoint. The program appears here. Click on it. PowerPoint launches. Click Blank Presentation. You now have a PowerPoint presentation of one slide. This is the title slide layout. Change it to blank slide layout so that you don't have any text boxes in it. Click Home, Layout, and select Blank. Insert an appropriate image to use for the background, preferably one that communicates the theme, e.g. the solar system. Click Insert, Pictures, this device, and browse to find the image you want to use. Adjust the size of the image to perfectly fit. This will be the background of our text which we will insert. You can get free images from pixels.com or pixabay.com, but you can also find premium images on Shutterstock for use in your PowerPoint presentations. Now let's create a frame where we shall insert our text. Copy and paste the image. Adjust the size and fit it around the center. Right-click, click Format Picture. From the Artistic Effects panel, select Blur. Increase the radius so that the effect shows up even more. Click on the image icon up here. Increase the brightness slightly and decrease contrast a little bit. On Picture Color, set Saturation. Click Picture Format, then Crop. Crop to Shape and select the shape you want to use. Adjust the size of this background image until you're satisfied with it. You see, it looks like a frosted glass rectangle. Insert this glow effect as an image. Click Insert, Picture. Select the image from your storage. Copy and paste it and take it to the opposite side. Position it here. You can use thick lines or anything else that can make your presentation feel dynamic and professional. Insert a text box and type the title for this slide. For this case, Earth. Insert another text box for the text in this slide. I'm using font Courier New. On the right side, let's put something else like size of the planet. Insert a straight line here. Change its color to white. Increase its weight a little bit. Insert a circle. Adjust its size. It's in this circle that we shall insert our planet. Set Shape Outline to None. Right-click the circle. Click Format Shape. In the Fill pane, select Picture or Texture Fill. For picture source, click Insert. Click from a file if you have your planet image on your PC, but you can also use the other options. Resize the image and bring it down here. Let's insert a rectangle at the bottom. Right-click and click Format Shape. Then Gradient Fill. Drag these fill stops down to remain with only two. Change their color to black. For this one on the left, increase transparency to 100%. Now you have this interesting effect at the bottom of the slide. Duplicate the slide by right-clicking, then click Duplicate. Make changes to the slide so that the content is for another planet. For this case, we will use Venus. Right-click the image of the planet. Click Format Picture, select Fill, and then make sure Picture or Text Fill is selected. Click Insert and choose the new image. Apply a rotation motion to this new planet. Click on it. Shape format. Rotate. And rotate right or left. Now apply morph transition. Just click transitions, then morph. This is cool, but we can make it even cooler. On the second slide, exchange the positions of the glow. This one to the right and this one to the left. We can even make the background image larger. You realize that the glow is behaving so funny, yet you want it to flow smoothly. This is what you will do. Click on the glow. Here in the search box, you type select. Click display the selection pane. Selection pane opens with the name selected. Let's rename, starting with double exclamation marks. Call it double exclamation top glow. Go to the second slide. Use the same name for the top glow. Again, go to the first slide. Follow the same procedure and rename the bottom glow as double exclamation bottom glow. Go to the second slide and rename the bottom glow as double exclamation bottom glow. If you have more slides in your PowerPoint presentation, continue and consistently rename these shapes and or glow images. Let's test it again to see what happens. Yes! The flow of objects is now very smooth, as you can see.
One last trick.
Make your PowerPoint presentation advance automatically after 2 seconds. Click Transitions. In the timing group, under Advanced Slide, click After. Remove the tick from on mouse click by clicking on it. Change the time to 2 seconds. Click Apply to All. Now click Slideshow. Set up Slideshow. Click Loop continuously until Escape. Click OK. Now when you run the slideshow, the slides advance automatically after 2 seconds. If you've got more slides in your presentation, add these effects to each of them and you will experience the power of morph transition. You will be able to create very dynamic and professional PowerPoint slides. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more free tech tutorials like this. We meet in the next one.